Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to do a walk around of this 2007 Ford F-350 King Ranch Super Duty. I did it when it first came in, but I figured I'd get another one done, a complete one for all you guys out there. I know I have a gentleman out in Wisconsin very curious about this vehicle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. It is a little bit dusty. Car wash guys missed us last week, so just keep that in mind. It's just got a little bit of dust on it. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing the video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. It's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a text or a call for further details. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, the running boards, the rear tinted windows, the two-tone paint, backup sensors, tow pack. Tow pack looks good, doesn't look like too many people have been using it. Bed liner there. Again, just get these angles in here. I'll get underneath the wheel well here. No major dents, no major scratches. Maybe find tire size here. Hopefully you can read that. And then as far as the underneath goes, hopefully that helps. Getting down, crawling down on the ground. It's out of my pay grade there. I'll try to get a little shot of underneath right here. Do the best I can. Hopefully that helped. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks. We got the wood grain, the power heated seats. Let's get the condition of the leather here. Don't see any rips, tears, or stains. Passenger seat there. We'll go ahead and grab the back seat for you. Should probably unlock it all the way. There we go. Power rear slider. King Ranch floor mats. Alright, let's get some features up front here. Pedal adjusters, steering wheel controls, stock stereo, four-wheel drive power slider, factory tow assist, AC blows cold, sunroof up there. Let's take a look underneath the hood, heated mirrors. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time, I am not a mechanic, but what I like to do is get this in here for you the best I can. Chances are if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Try to focus it in the best I can here. Seems really clean. Alright, now all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. All of our vehicles, they come with warranty. We are the only pre-owned dealer on Canyon Road that has warranty with their vehicles. And I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. There's the mileage there. AC is blowing cold. stereo there, but as you can see, no check engine lights. I'll turn on some lights, climb back out here. There it is, burn along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, just give us a text or a call, and the sales associate would be happy to help you out. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.